Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to manage your privacy settings on teamwork.com, your essential guide for 2025. First things first, sign into your teamwork.com account. Simple enough, right? But it's the gateway to controlling your online privacy on this platform. Now that you're in, locate the profile icon at the top right of your screen. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. Next up, find and click on My Profile. This takes you to your profile settings, which is where the magic happens. The reason we do this is to access the settings that control what information you share and with whom. Once you're in your profile settings, look at the left sidebar and find Settings. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This section is where all the control knobs for your account reside. Click on it and choose Privacy Settings. Now, in the Privacy Settings section, you can control who sees what. You'll see options like contact information, profile summary, company details, and more. Each one has a checkbox beside it. Check or uncheck these boxes to control visibility. This helps us because it allows us to have complete control over what information we want visible to others. Lastly, don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom. This is the final step that applies all the changes you've made. Always remember, any changes you make will remain unapplied unless you hit Save. So there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to manage your privacy settings on teamwork.com. By taking these steps, you're taking control of your online presence and information, ensuring your privacy is safeguarded. That's all for today's guide. Remember, managing your privacy is an ongoing process, so keep checking back. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.